Love apples, you've got to hear why Honeycrisps are the star of the snack world. First up, the crunch. Honeycrisp apples are famous for their super crisp texture. Seriously, you get that loud, satisfying snap with every bite. And the flavor, oh, it's the perfect mix of sweet and just a hint of tart, so every mouthful is a burst of deliciousness. Plus, they're extra juicy. Think of a sip of apple juice, but in every bite. Whether you eat them fresh, toss them in a salad, or pack them for a snack, Honeycrisps are always a win. So next time you spot one, give it a try. No peeling, no cooking, just wash and enjoy. What's your favorite way to eat Honeycrisp apples? Drop your answer below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tips.